Meanwhile, the police are again urging party promoters and partygoers to desist from hosting and attending events as they remain illegal due to COVID-19 prevention protocols. The warning comes against the background of several incidents of violence in recent weeks at illegal parties. Giovanni Dennis reports.
Music equipment seized at parties in the St. Andrew North Police Division. These were just the ones captured in recent days by the lawmen. This is head of the division, Superintendent Aaron Fletcher. He says the number of parties are increasing with daily seizure of equipment like these. But detecting the parties are challenging, he argues, as promoters go covert.
We are observing in some of the communities where you see gatherings of motor vehicles. Unusually large numbers of motor vehicles parked suggests something. The noise level is being contained because they have resorted to the boombox and maybe just a laptop. So what we have to look for is the signs that indicate that something is amiss, something unusual is happening. And that's the means by which we use to identify.
But with recent hostility toward police by partygoers, Superintendent Fletcher says officers have been instructed to avoid confronting partygoers.
We have resorted to taking video recordings, photographic recordings of these events when we find them. We try not to engage in confrontation because it will not work out to the benefit of the police or the patrons themselves. So we make note of it by way of video recording or still photos, and we go back at a later date to pursue the persons who are responsible for the hosting of the events.
But he insists it's not in the best interest of entertainment seekers to attend parties in the current climate, and not just because of COVID-19.
It almost appears as though there's a trend now where violence becomes a part of these gatherings. Right? So in order to mitigate against such acts of violence and injuries to individuals, we encourage persons to desist from these gatherings.
A police was shot and killed in Clarendon recently after responding to a man illegally discharging rounds at an event. Police have been stoned at parties in Seaview Garden, St. Andrew, as well as in St. Anne. There have been mass shootings at parties in Portmore and Westmoreland in recent weeks. Just last week, a teen was left in intensive care after being attacked at a party by a gang of women. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.